Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a little eyebrow tutorial for you guys. To start off, I will be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, as well with the Anastasia eyebrow brush. So you just want to get a little bit, enough on the brush, and then put it into the lid to like clean it, not clean it off, but to just put a little bit down and make it smooth. What you want to do is you want to start not directly right here, because that's the part you want to mostly shade in. So what you want to do is you want to start a little bit like right there. And just draw the line of your arch. And it's okay if it gets a little bit messy. You can always clean it up with some concealer a little bit later. You want to get more. And then you don't want to start right here. You want to start off a little bit more to the side. You're going to go over the top. Make sure you make those ends meet. And then you want to, again, get some more that you had grabbed out of the pomade and put in your little cap here. And then you want to shade in your brow. And then just slightly draw yourself just a tad, like a little line right here, and then shade in the upward motion. Till you feel like it gives that nice ombre look from like a light to a dark. I think I'm just gonna get just a little bit more just to shade it up a little bit better. Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this end of the brush now. And just gonna blend it all out. Make sure there's no dark spots. I don't usually shade much over here, mostly just right there. And you know it gets a little bit messy right here, so I'm just gonna get my finger and wipe it off just a little bit. Redraw that line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get like a flat round brush. And then I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define in C4. Of course, get the concealer that matches your skin tone. This is the one that matches me just a little bit better. So you're gonna go ahead and just pull some off. Just make sure you get some. And then you start at the end. Make sure to get the point on the end like really nice, and then just work your way over. And then pull down. And then you want to get your beauty blender. I like to use the mini for this because it just fits in that area better. And then just pat. And then you want to get it again. I like to do it like one side on the bottom and then on the top, because I hate when it dries and then it's a little harder to clean up. So you just want to get just a little bit more so that we can do the top now. Again, in the upward motion. Okay, and then again, get your beauty blender and just dab it out. You do want to wet your beauty blender before, and working with the wet beauty blender is much better than a dry. And then you can see here where you see where like the concealer and the dip brow kind of meet. I like to clean it up a little bit more so that it the brow looks bold. So you're gonna go ahead and just clean it up a bit. Clean up any little imperfections, any uneven lines or uneven spots. And then I'm gonna get the Essence Lash Brow, and then just gonna swish it around a little bit. And just put a little bit of that on your brow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Again, get a little bit. From the actual pomade, and then put it in the cap to flatten out any the excess that you have, but you want to be able to use that entire time that you're doing your brows. So again, start here, not here. Again, if you have any messes or imperfections, you can see this arch goes a little bit more than this arch. I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit. Go ahead and shade. draw that line. Very, very, very slight line. You don't want to go super bold because you want it to have that nice ombre look from light to dark. Shade in the upward motion. Again, I just made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. I can clean it up with some concealer. Gonna clean with the other side of the brush. Clean down here, the little mess that I made. And then I'm gonna go ahead, close that up so it doesn't get dry. And then gonna get the concealer again. Get some on your brush. And you're gonna get your beauty blender. Or your blending sponge, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and do the top. And then I'll clean it up, pat it. And then again, clean it up just a little bit. And then get your gel. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like. I appreciate all your guys' support. Thank you.